Hello everyone, back with an IRS tax refund update. We are continuing to monitor the latest news this tax season, which includes developing news overnight of the IRS updating those tax transcripts with the next refund release date, so we're going to take a look at that. Meanwhile, extended refund delays continue despite 96% of all submitted tax returns having already been processed this year, yet there are still over 8 million individual returns that remain unprocessed, leading to those refund delays. Starting off with news overnight with the latest update to tax transcripts having taken place, with taxpayers reporting seeing their refund date now set for Wednesday, May 4th. Keep in mind that the IRS Refund Status results page may not have the most up-to-date information and not reflecting you being part of this latest refund batch, so make sure to check those tax transcripts. Now, many taxpayers continue to experience extended delays in the processing of their returns and issuing of refunds, and have reported no significant updates on the IRS Refund Status Tracker or their tax transcripts. Particularly those impacted by the problem are going to be those who filed paper tax returns and who should not expect to see any updates until the processing of their return has begun. The National Taxpayer Advocate has indicated the wait time for refunds from paper returns could be 6 months. Meanwhile, increasing reports coming in from taxpayers who are receiving the 60-day notice, also known as Letter 2645C, in the mail from the IRS. Now, while we have seen a majority of those who receive this letter in fact receive that refund within the first 60 days, there are going to be groups of taxpayers who will receive an additional 60-day notice afterwards. Now, for those taxpayers who have or will suffer an economic hardship as a result of not receiving that refund, or who will suffer long-term adverse impact, it is advised you complete the IRS Form 911 as seen here and fax that to your local taxpayer advocate office to request assistance from the TAS in regards to your tax return. For those who are encountering those 971 and 570 codes on their tax transcripts, they will fall into two categories. If you're showing the 971 and 570 codes with the same date listed, that means the IRS has auto-adjusted your refund, oftentimes in regards to correcting an error relating to a tax credit. If the codes show different dates like seen here, then that indicates the IRS continues to process that tax return. And in regards to those auto-adjusted refunds, the IRS has adjusted over 9 million refunds this year due to math errors, which usually stem from a problem with a claimed tax credit, such as the child tax credit, where taxpayers are entering the wrong amount of CTC payments they received in 2021, or those attempting to claim their recovery rebate credit after already receiving that stimulus payment in 2021. For those still waiting on those amended returns from the 2020 tax year, we finally started seeing movement this month on the process of those returns. Do note taxpayers have finally reported seeing progress nearly 11 months after the IRS received those amended returns. Let us know in the comments section below what problem you're currently experiencing and if you received your refund as of yet. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.